Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Chainlink once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you for everything that you do. Okay, sharing is caring. The level of support we've got on this channel is amazing. What a community of people we've got involved in this community right now. Okay, on the Patreon, the Discord, the Twitter, everything. All the links are on CoinsKid.com. Okay, so a lovely little bit of news to back up the bullish charts for Chainlink at the moment is this Associated Press Chainlink to bring trusted data onto leading blockchains. So basically, you know, the Associated Press AP is launching a Chainlink Oracle node to bring their cryptographically signed economic, sports and race call databases into leading blockchain networks, bridging the on-chain and off-chain world one oracle at a time. This is big. This is really big. Okay, not specifically seen a massive explosion in the price, but for me, like I've always said to you, the chart for Chainlink does look really, really bullish. Okay, so we're just going to dive in to some technical analysis right now. But this is a good bit of news, you know. Great, moving forward, you know, this is a really good leading partnership right now that's been confirmed. So yeah, I mean, Chainlink, it's a sleeping giant basically, and you know I am long-term bullish on Chainlink. It has had a whopping correction, obviously. It's not quite up there, it's all-time high, like Bitcoin's broke its high. So I know you're feeling a bit lackluster and a bit sort of left behind, but you've got to appreciate where Chainlink's come from, okay? Remember, it's done really, really well in a bear market, so potentially it could be a fantastic project moving forward in another bear market. Remember that. It's done okay in this bull market, but it's not done as well as it potentially might do in a bear market. Remember that for Bitcoin, okay? So it basically, if Bitcoin goes into a bear market, I do think that this is where your Chainlink is going to just rinse repeat of what it did last time, and this way you're looking at a larger appreciation for Chainlink. But again, not got a crystal ball. It could roll into the bear with Bitcoin and it not come back from that until a couple of years, you know. So we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But for now, let's look at the charts and let's see what's happening, okay? So looking at Chainlink on the daily, then you can see that basically you've broken out its W bottom pattern. There was a technical target. Let's take a look at this that I gave you in a previous update just here for Chainlink, and you can see that look, you broke out just there, you never quite got to it, you ran a little bit shy, came back, found support this horizontal look, and then look, you've just eventually wicked to that potential target just there. So eventually you got to target. That's like I said to you, the pattern that's in play is valid until invalidated away. You came up, you had a bit of a throwback, and eventually you've met the technical target. Amazing. Okay, so for me, Chainlink is looking extremely bullish. You're running into this level resistance right now, this horizontal look. So once you start to break out of here, you could see fireworks for Chainlink moving forward. Okay, there is another little pattern that's just forming just there for me for Chainlink from here to here. Look, let's have a look at this. This is an ascending triangle, and you can see you were struggling to break it. And yesterday I did put this in the Discord server for the Patreons, and equally the on Twitter as well. You know, you're calling up like this in an ascending triangle, level of resistance just there, level of support, you know, beautiful, 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 and essentially a large W bottom pattern breakout. You've got a technical target to the upside. So for me, you are now in a technical target, but you're willing to the resistance of this horizontal, you know. So if you do start to come back, coil up like this towards the apex, get the breakout, this could be absolutely amazing for Chainlink, because you're looking to break this high. That's what we need to do, okay? Because I think we're moving impulsively. Look, you come up high, low, potentially come up, make a higher high, and you've load out down here for Chainlink at $13, you know, in that correction that we went through way back in May, and we load out in July there for Chainlink moving forward. So yeah, you're doing well, but obviously you've got key levels of resistance you do need to see broken. You are now in a technical target, as you was in that previous W bottom. You were in a larger, essentially W bottom ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. This is an ascending triangle as well. Look, you broke out, throwback, retest support, boom, see you later. Technical target was met, wasn't it? So right now you are now in a technical target because you've broken that level of resistance just there, and this is your new technical target for Chainlink just there, okay? 34.73. So that's where it's trying to get to, but because it's breaking out this level of resistance just there, it's actually breaking out of a horizontal, which is quite a bullish thing, okay? So you know the technical target from a horizontal is from there to there, and you can see that if you do start to break that level of resistance just there, wherever it is, you know, the horizontal, say you do come all the way into the apex just there, that's the apex, boom, 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 just there, you know, wherever you do break out, that'll be a technical target to the upside. Let's say, for example, we was to break out today, you would equally be in a technical target to around about $40, and with that you're breaking that high, so you're actually putting in an impulsive wave. So your impulsive wave target from this low to this high would actually see you retrace all the way back up almost to this yellow line, okay? And the technical target would actually be the 1618 at 36. So that's extremely bullish, and these particular levels of resistance, you know, these fib targets will be resistance along the journey once you break that high. So, you know, from here right now, you could be looking at a further appreciation of around about 83% for Chainlink moving forward. Okay, and you really are getting the party started, aren't you? You can see you've broken out from this low, you're breaking out these falling wedges. You know, you're still retracing essentially to this high as well. Look, because it's a falling wedge, just like this was a falling wedge. What did you do? You retraced to the highs, came back for support, you know, put in a higher low, retrace. So you are essentially trying to get back to this high at 37.15 for Chainlink. You know, and you are putting in bullish continuation patterns, reversal patterns, ascending triangles. You know, with that, once you do start to come up here and you break out of this high, you will essentially be in a new impulsive wave target for Chainlink moving forward. Okay, so you know, you've got to have Chainlink on your radar. If you're into crypto, you've definitely got to have it on your radar. Okay, or it has to be, again, not financial advice, it has to be a part of your portfolio. So for me, your absolute minimal in this bull market for Chainlink is this moving forward. Okay, but it has to break this high, obviously, retrace, which you are doing. Look, you're coming up, you're doing something like this. You can see you're retracing to this high, because once you break this high, you will be in a 1618 technical target to a minimal $129 in this bull market. But for Chainlink, and I'll show you, I'll back this up with TA, it always has a habit of getting to the 2. Okay, so this is my technical target, this is my bull market target for Chainlink, around about $221. Okay, $200 plus basically, because it always has a habit of getting to the 2 when it goes through these highs and these lows and it retraces. It usually gets to the 2 minimal impulsively, and I'll show you exactly why that's happened in the previous correction that we went through, when, you know, everyone was really bearish on Chainlink, but I was telling people, you know, you're looking at $54. And I'll show you right now. Look, if we look at that on the 2, just there, boom, you met it, bang on. Look at that, absolute golden from that previous retracement just there. And if we take a look at this particular target as well, let's have a look where this one got to. You know, that got to the 1618 and the 2, and you can see, look at that got to the 2 as well. So, you know, even when Chainlink was coming all the way down here, crashed down to 130, you know, start to come up and break the impulsive from the low to the high, gives you an impulsive wave target to the 1618 fibs, and you can see it runs into each fib target, you know, respectively, but it actually got to the 2 just there. So it's amazing, it conforms to the fibs. So right now our minimal target, you know, if we do continue to go on, you are looking at a minimal $129 next impulsive wave break of this high. Obviously it's all about breaking this high at 54.31. Sorry, once you see Chainlink break that, for me, you got a beautiful long up. You know, from that break of that high right there, you could be looking at a further appreciation of around about 133%. But Chainlink, like I've just shown you, has a habit of going to the 2, which is around about 305%. So from here right now, for Chainlink, you know, on its journey, that is an appreciation of around about 665% for Chainlink moving forward, providing it keeps doing what it's doing. Okay, breaking resistance, falling back to support, and keeps moving upwards and onwards and upwards. You're looking great here for Chainlink, this bull market end basically. Take care everyone, back soon with another update on Chainlink. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.